Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. First off, I'm gonna walk you through some important things. Then I'm gonna show you how I built it. Keep watching. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna be looking at Visor.dev. Literally, all you need to do is speak English to it, and it's gonna give you back code and beautiful designs that you can make changes to, edit and refactor. Alright, so let's do this. If you're new here, I make videos like this to actually help developers. Like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. Okay, so something beautiful about v0.dev is that, everything is actually tied to ChatCN, and it also uses Tailwind CSS. So it's actually really beautiful. So I just finished working on this. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna come over here so we can actually see it very nicely. Okay, and this is it. So it looks very nice. Just a simple page. Of course we could, work on more routes. Look at that. It looks very nice and neat. This is the dark mode. We have the light mode as well. So let's look at the prompt I gave it. Over here, I came and I said, we are an AI agency called Globe. We've created a new AI SaaS product called Finance AI. This AI platform helps you to manage your finances. All I need you to do right now is to create a simply modern and awesome landing page for us. That's it. And it went on and created the first version. And I had to actually write back to it using natural language, English actually, and made changes. So this is the final version. Now, if you want to see previous versions, all you gotta do is come here. You can view the previous version and you can view the latest version. I'm going to show you what all of these, little buttons are about. So over here would be for you to collapse this, and then you're going to have only this part. Okay, so we could do that right now. That's it. So now I'm going to close this so we can have the full screen. So, and if you want to actually see the previous things you've worked on, go to your library, you'll be able to see that. Okay, so here's what we've got. Now, here, if you want to make changes first off, once you see what it gives you and you want to make changes, you do not like saying things, you want to make changes, you can come over here and type something, right there. Is it ask a follow-up? Whatever you want to write, just put English there and it's gonna do whatever you want it to do for you and just tell it. But something about this is that whenever you do that, whenever you write that, Visor.dev would always rewrite the code, the entire thing afresh, and yeah. So something else that you can do here is select, click on that, and you can select an individual element and apply quick changes here, as you want. That's one thing there. All right, if you click here, it is gonna open in a new tab. And so this is what we have. And now you can actually copy this link and share it to other developers or share it to your friends so they could check it out. Wonderful. Okay, let's see what this is about. Of course, this is full screen, right? And these are the guys over here. Now we've got this. This is very important for you to actually see the code, right? So you've got the globals.css, you've got the page.tsx, and of course, it's tailwind config.js. Now, what you can do would be for you to actually copy this code. If you copy that, you can go paste it into your Next.js project and go on editing and, doing whatever you want to do with it. You could also download it, right? But if you actually copy this and go paste it, that's kind of cool, and you actually have access to it right now. But then you're gonna have to start, installing some of the things that needed to be installed. and if you don't want to do that, I would say what you should do rather, it's for you to come over here and add it to Codebase, right? Click on that and you can copy it right there. And all you got to do is run this command to add this block to your Codebase. And that's pretty much all about it. And you go to your terminal and you know what to do. Good. As well, you could download zip, the zip folder, right? Good. And once you do that, it's just gonna run, download all the necessary modules and everything that would be imported. You're just gonna have, everything seamlessly. You could do this in your Visual Studio Code editor or Cursor AI. I'm gonna make another video showing you guys how to use the Cursor AI. Right, it's gonna be absolutely amazing. I've got a couple videos lined up. I'm gonna be making combos, so I'm making individual videos right now, but then I'm gonna be showing you how to combine different AI platforms to come up with even more productive, production-ready projects, builds, and applications. Okay, so, and also you can actually fork it, so there it's gonna get to your GitHub, repo, and in here you could share. If you click share, this is gonna make it public, all right, and someone else can actually continue working on this. Okay, like even make changes, not you just sending the link the way it is over here, but actually sending this project of yours. We're just gonna do that right now. Right, so this is it. So literally, they would be able to make changes and so on and so forth. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. I'm not gonna want this to be public. And of course, you could deploy this, it says create deployments in Vercel for this block. You can unpublish the deployment at any time. Wonderful. You can go on with that, but another thing beautiful that I'm looking forward to showing you guys is how to use Cursor AI. It's beautiful. You get it downloaded. Okay, I even want to start talking about it right now. But that's gonna be pretty much about it for this video. Yeah, v0.dev is absolutely wonderful. If you're a front-end developer, you should use this. You might get to the point where you're working on a lot of projects, probably multiple team members and stuff like that. You guys want to use this together, then you might want to get a premium version, and stuff like that. But if you don't need it right now, just use a free version, which is what I use to build this. Pretty wonderful. Okay, if you're a UI UX designer who doesn't really know how to code that much, but you want to come up with wonderful designs, as much as the code would be available at your disposal, but you can actually have the designs there. You could utilize these as well. So anyone who doesn't know how to code, you've got no coding skills, no coding background at all whatsoever, you can use English language to actually give prompts and have the AI, spin the wheels for you. All right. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Again, like, subscribe, and you can share the video. Thank you for watching. You want to check out this other video. Peace.